Today I will show you how to recover deleted files from a USB device using wondershare's Recoverit software. To download the software, check out the link in the description. It can recover up to 96% of your data from the USB. Files like photos, videos, documents, and other files can be recovered using the Recoverit software. Wondershare's Recoverit software is available to download on Windows as well as Mac PCs. Now let us go ahead and download the software. Install the software and start. Wondershare's Recoverit offers a wide range of recovery tools. You can recover the accidentally deleted files or shift and deleted files from the computer. Files deleted from the recycle bin, files from the formatted disk, lost partition can be recovered using the Wondershare's Recoverit software. The files from an external device like USB, external hard disk, or SD card can be recovered easily. Files lost because of the virus attack can also be retrieved. Files from a crashed computer can also be recovered using this tool, which I have shown in my last video. The link is in the description. Let us now go ahead by selecting the option External Devices Recovery. USB drive, digital camera, camcorder, memory card, iPod, SD card, and many other devices from which deleted data can be recovered. So let us start the process by connecting a USB device. As you can see, I have 4 different types of files in my pen drive: MP3, image, video,
so much out of me. With the face inside is watching you too.
and a document. Now let me go back and format my USB device. Then we will try to recover our deleted media files using Wondershare's Recoverit software. The formatting is complete and we can see that the device is now empty. Now that the USB is empty, let us head back to our Recoverit software. Select the option External Device Recovery. Here you can see all the possible devices you can recover your deleted data from. Hit Next and select the USB device you want to recover your data from. On this page, wait for the scan to complete, and then start exploring the files to recover your deleted files. Now that the scan is complete, let us go ahead and search for our deleted files. So here is our image file we need to recover. Let us go ahead and select the file and hit recover. In my G drive, let me create a folder. My recovery, and then hit recover. Now let us select the document we want to recover. Hit recover, and yes, the document is recovered successfully. Now let us select the MP3 file we want to recover. And hit recover to successfully recover our MP3 file. Let us go ahead and look for our video file. Oh, there are lots of video files in here. I guess it has recovered my old video files as well. As far as I remember, our video files which we deleted was something close to 130 MB. So let us go ahead and try recovering the video file. Now that we have successfully recovered the files, let us go ahead and check the recovered files. You can see that the pen drive is still empty. Let us go ahead and look into our G drive and my Recoverit folder. So we have successfully recovered the image file. Now let us check the document. And yes, we have recovered the document successfully. Now the MP3 file. And yes, it is working correctly. And finally the video. Let us try playing the video. And yes, we have successfully recovered all our files. Our wondershare Recoverit software has done its work and has successfully recovered all our data. So guys, hope this video helped you in some way. If yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.